Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on a Cadillac Escalade. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Next, find the small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. This prepares your Escalade for the new blades. Once the old blade is off, take your new wiper blade and orient it so it matches the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm, making sure it engages with the locking mechanism. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the blade is securely attached. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly in place before proceeding. With the new blade securely installed, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Be careful not to let it snap down, as this could damage the glass. Repeat these steps for the other wiper arm on your Escalade. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. After installation, visually inspect both wiper blades to ensure they make full and even contact with your windshield. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your Cadillac Escalade's wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice streaking or chattering. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.